Tired of being retired? Here is something to consider. It's an exciting world to be full-time RVing where adventure knows no bounds. Now, see yourself as a full-time RVer, embarking on unforgettable journeys while generating passive income effortlessly. How? By joining an affiliate program designed exclusively for RV enthusiasts like you. This incredible opportunity allows you to earn passive income by promoting products relevant to the RV lifestyle. As you share your experiences and expertise through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel, you'll recommend products you genuinely love. But it doesn't end there. Imagine the thrill of selling your own products at RV events, connecting with fellow RVers, and sharing your passion firsthand. With your unique perspective and valuable insights, you become a trusted source, offering high-quality merchandise tailored to the RV community. Not only do you earn passive income while living the RV dream, but you also build a thriving community of like-minded adventurers. So, fellow full-time RVer, seize this opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Join the affiliate program, embrace the thrill of selling at RV events, and let the excitement of earning passive income ignite your nomadic spirit. The open road awaits, filled with adventure and endless possibilities. This program is free to join. You must hurry as we only have 7 spots left. Join the affiliate program today in just 2 easy steps by going to www.rvquickshades.com. Thanks for watching.